In this video, you'll learn how to delete an audience in Mailchimp. This process is essential for managing your contacts effectively and ensuring your audience reflects your current marketing needs. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Mailchimp URL. Once the homepage loads, you should see options to log in or create an account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, locate the audience option in the main navigation menu. This is usually found on the left side of the screen. Click on Audience to display a list of all your audiences. Make sure you select the one you wish to delete. Next, find and click on a specific contact within the audience you want to delete. This action opens the contact's details. You will notice various options related to the selected contact. Ensure you are viewing the correct contact details before proceeding. Once you have the correct contact displayed, look for the checkbox next to their name. Click on this checkbox to select the contact you wish to delete. After selecting the contact, a menu will appear, providing you with further options related to the selected contact. Now, click on the three dots icon, which usually represents more options. A drop-down menu will appear showing various actions you can take with the selected contact. Among these options, you will find the delete action. After clicking delete, a confirmation message will appear, prompting you to review the difference between deleting and archiving. This is an important step as archiving allows you to keep the contact for future reference without active engagement. You will be prompted with another message asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete the contact. This step is crucial as it reinforces the permanence of your decision. Take a moment to consider whether you want to proceed. The next message will inform you about compliance reasons for permanently deleting contacts. This is a reminder of your obligations under privacy laws such as GDPR and CCPA. Be aware of these regulations as they pertain to your audience management. At this point, you will see a prompt that says, "They asked me to, and I must comply with privacy laws." Click on this option to acknowledge your understanding of the compliance requirements. Following that, click on Continue to Delete to move forward with the deletion process. This action will take you one step closer to permanently removing the contact from your audience. A final message will appear stating that you are about to permanently delete one contact from your audience. Review the details carefully to ensure this is the contact you wish to remove. Next, you will be required to type permanently delete in a designated text box to confirm your action. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, ensuring you are fully aware of the consequences. After typing permanently delete, click on the final permanently delete button. This action will complete the deletion process and the selected contact will be permanently removed from your audience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.